Let's now bring you some more updates from India, which is set to reopen its skies for domestic airlines on May 25th. This will be done in a calibrated manner for which the Civil Aviation Ministry will release standard operating procedures. A number of new rules and regulations will be put in place to make flying safer in these troubled times. For now, all airports and airlines have been informed to be ready for operations. Under the new lockdown guidelines, all commercial flight operations have been suspended in India till May 31st. The announcement by the Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has raised some concerns. There are three issues that the ministry must address in its advisory. Number one, the destinations to which the flights can begin operations. Number two, are all state governments in agreement with this plan to restart flight operations? And number three, what are the social distancing norms that are to be followed inside the airports and on the aircraft? There was an earlier proposal to leave the middle seat empty to allow space for social distancing. However, Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has called such a plan unviable. Listen in.
That's not a viable option, because even if you keep the middle seat vacant, you will have a situation that the prescribed distance for social distancing is not followed. So, and therefore, it's not viable. And if you were to do that, you would have to hike up the price of the airline ticket by 33%.
Flights are expected to begin operations with a lower capacity of nearly 30%. It could offer sufficient room for cabin crew to enforce social distancing, but the lack of a directive in leaving the middle seat empty could lead to some health concerns. On the questions of states being in agreement or not, major destinations such as Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Ahmedabad and others are still classified as red zone areas. The centre needs a green light from certain state governments to begin operations at these airports. And some state governments have already protested against the opening up of borders just yet, including interstate travel. In preparation to restart domestic flights, the Airports Authority of India has now released a set of guidelines, which makes wearing a mask compulsory. Most private airlines, including Indigo, Vistara and GoAir, have now started taking bookings for travel after June 1st. This is being done despite the Directorate General of Civil Aviation asking airlines to refrain from selling tickets until further notice. State-run Air India is not open for bookings yet.